How to create a healthy human within 3 to 6 month time with these simple steps. First thing, you're gonna change your salt. Your salt that you're using, even if it's pink Himalayan, you're gonna go for the salt with 82 minerals, which is Celtic salt. Second, you're gonna change your toothpaste. Yes, fluoride toothpaste calcify the pineal gland, let you stuck in one job, and you're not rebellious, you cannot say no. Thirdly, you're gonna change your deodorant. You're gonna go for something aluminum free. For further details, we have both toothpaste and deodorant. Next, you're gonna stop eating these five food and one addiction: milk, cheese, butter from animals, meat, sugar, any sugar from any sugary drink, as long as the sugar is made from sugar cane, not good. The sugar in fruits is the best. And then you're gonna avoid alcohol. It's gonna be a turnaround. Go in the shoe store and buy the most expensive shock absorbing shoes for walking or running on the football field. Yes, you walk on road, not run on road, or you run on the football field that is more cushion. Then you're gonna start changing your music. So go on Google and type in 432 hertz or 528 hertz music that vibrate with this love vibration. People, your life will never be the same again. How to get healthy in simple steps. For more information, see the book. Yeah, man, check out my new book now on Amazon. Earth Book One, and also locally here in Jamaica. And who can wear the clothesline? We're coming out the best. We'll be getting prizes and surprises. Yo, me out of here.